Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 beginner friendly swaps every kitchen should have. So let's begin.
So the first one on the list is single-use plastic bottles, which are also known as PET bottles. Single-use plastic bottles are everywhere nowadays, from water bottle brands to juices and cola brands. I don't believe in bringing them home or throwing away in some trash where it just lands into the landfill. And also, when they are heated at high temperatures, they can release some very harmful chemicals into our bodies. This switch has been years old and I use glass and steel water bottles whenever I am at home, and I make sure to carry one tumbler whenever I step outside of my home. My daily schedule includes filling all the water bottles in the morning. I usually use glass water bottles for cooking purposes, while I keep the stainless steel water bottles by my bedside table or study table whenever I am working on something to make sure I am fully hydrated. And this small tumbler, which you just saw, is my favorite travel companion. I bought this tumbler from a local shop in the town, but I can add some links into the description below in case you want to purchase similar items for your own use. I request you not to buy a new one if you already have one. The second one in the category is plastic containers. We all have plastic containers in our home already, but I don't buy plastic containers anymore since I've shifted to this rented apartment. I do have some old ones which I use for some occasional purposes. I just love these glass and ceramic all purpose containers. They have so much more health and life coming along with them. I use them for storing some freshly chopped veggies and some overnight leftovers. It is so easy to consume them after reheating in the microwave. I believe being conscious about what we consume in our lives is an everyday practice which we all should choose. The third switch I made was even before I ever bought it into my home. Yes, I didn't bring single use paper towels into my home ever. Imagine throwing away one or two paper towels daily into your dustbin. I use all three categories in my kitchen, which are washable and can be used till the end of their life. Terry towels are so versatile, I believe. Never throw away your bath towels when you can use them and repurpose them into your kitchen and homes for cleaning. These dish towels are perfect for drying dishes after washing. Well, this bamboo towel is a new addition to my home which I bought from Amazon recently. The cover says that one single towel can be used up to 100 times. I'll review this once I use it. The next one in the queue is plastic cutlery. The reason why I added this is because these are a big issue when it comes to eating street food or ordering online. These are a few switches you can make. I prefer going for the stainless steel one because it is available already in my kitchen. I always carry a fork and a spoon whenever stepping out of my home. Next is tea sachets. Why waste tea sachets when we can carry a tea strainer with us if we are stepping out of a home? Tea sachets are made out of a combination of paper and plastics. We are intaking some amount of microplastics whenever we consume them. Nowadays, we all consume green tea. I only buy loose green tea leaves whenever at home it's always easy to make tea in the pan. If you are someone who consumes green tea outside at workplace or while travel, I highly recommend checking out a tea strainer. I'll link it in the description below. One switch I always do is repurposing my old grocery or bakery glass jars. I love glass jars, and instead of purchasing a new one, it's always better to reuse, I believe. Paper napkins, every restaurant's pride, I say. Thousands of them get wasted in a single day at some or the other restaurant, or maybe we use it in our homes too. Can't we carry our own cloth napkins or handkerchiefs to do our bit for the environment? I felt so much guilt for doing this unconsciously. I have started saying no to sabziwalas for these single-use plastic bags. Single-use plastic is so much worse. It is such an easy shift with no new bags to buy. Nowadays, big grocery stores or clothing brands hand over products in ivory muslin bags, which are perfect for reusing. All we have to do is wash them when they get dirty. This is one shift I'm very proud of. These are some of the bags I use whenever I go out for shopping. One of the last swap is opting out of plastic chopping boards. As other things, plastic chopping boards contains microplastics too. I have never purchased a plastic chopping board for my kitchen. My first board was a wooden one which got broken because of falling. These are antibacterial boards which are much better in comparison to plastic ones. And finally, the last one, which is being used by most of us in our homes for packing lunches. If we research on foils, we'll find out that when some hot object is placed on tin foil, some amount of tin leaches into our body, which can be harmful to our brain health. My take on this is to use it only for storing cold foods. Instead, I use butter paper for packing all my family's lunches. They don't leach anything into the food. Please don't compare it with the newspaper, as newspapers have ink which can leach into our food. I might as well try packing into cloth napkins in the future. If any of you have tried that, would love to know your views on it in the comments. So these were some of the kitchen swaps I did for a better life. If you like my video, please do give it a thumbs up.